Loving, honest communication. Many are so used to being hurtful or selfishly calculating in their communication. After all, the entire economic and life construct of humanity up to the time of my writing is based on ego struggle and not togetherness. Communicating lovingly and honestly, why should we do that? Doesn't it only bring us disadvantages? Because the world is not at all ready for our personal soul truths, our honesty and our love? Let's try it anyway. If we change ourselves from within, then we also change our self-created ecosystems step by step. Let us breathe through our heart chakra. If we continue to practice every day and talk to each other more and more often in a loving and honest way, if we look deeply into each other's eyes and feel the other soul, then we literally change our world. Whenever this loving and honest communication between yin and yang takes place, we can feel and use the natural balancing astral current, for example for common projects or goals. The stronger the higher dimensional current flows and the more loving and honest we can be with each other, the more impact and luminosity our high energy aura has as an energetic healing couple. When we look into the eyes of another human being, especially of the other polarity, for a longer period of time, we can connect with that soul in a profound way. Let us sit or stand in such a way that we can look at each other comfortably and at the same eye level for several minutes. While doing this, let's breathe through the heart chakra. Let us feel, observe. Let us speak lovingly and honestly from our heart. If we wish, we can symbolically place a hand on our heart chakra in the beginning to get used to this new way of communicating. The hand shows us and our conversational partner that we intend to speak from our heart and also listen to our partner's words from there. Let's explain ourselves, our thoughts, feelings and actions. Let's ask clearly and directly. Let's listen attentively and mindfully. Let's reflect on our words and those of our partner. And let's do all this honestly and always from the heart. Our breath carries our words, and our breath integrates the words of our partner.